Welcome back, my dear friends, to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. And this is the third tutorial regarding the importance of cybersecurity and digital safety. So it is just for ourselves. We can secure ourselves, update ourselves, and definitely we can defeat the hackers as well as the crackers, my dear friends. We have till now in the two tutorial discussed about how to secure, how can we secure our WhatsApp account, Instagram account, and Facebook account. Now in this tutorial I am going to discuss about the security of the Twitter account. How can we secure ourselves, our Twitter account, you know? So these are the things that we have already discussed, that is going on. So just move ahead and move to the privacy settings or other settings in Twitter account also, that is here. This is the current topic that we are going to discuss. Let's secure us with Twitter now. So what we'll have to just log into your Twitter account. Just click over here on this home, on this particular photo that you can see over here, photograph. And what next you will have to see is click on settings and privacy again. So everyone, everywhere I am directing you to change your settings and privacy, and have a look at it. After clicking on setting and privacy, just click on privacy and safety option. That is the next option that we will have to click on, privacy and safety. Now what you have to do, my dear students, my dear friends, protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So your followers would be able to see your tweets, and people you approve, they will be only able to see your tweets. So what you have to do, you will have to just do this like this one, that is the default one also. So disable this option, okay? So sorry, you'll have to enable this option if you want to protect it. So, actually this option is by default is disabled, but you will have to, what you have to do, you have to enable this option. Then again you'll have to just click on this protect your, after protecting your tips, you can see over here photo tagging. Only people you follow can tag you. You'll have to change this, and by default what is there, anyone can tag you, but you'll have to change this setting. Only people you follow can tag you. Remind you again one over here, just enable this option, okay? Enable this option. That is by mistake it is written disabled, but you have to write enable this option. Then you will have to click on this discoverability and contacts. Click on that one. Under the same privacy and safety option, just scroll down and you will find this one, discoverability and contacts. Just click on that one, and you can see over here, let's other find you by your email address. If you want that others can find you through your email address, then select it on. That is by default. But if you don't want them to find you with your email address, then just remove this tick mark. Remove this tick mark here from also. If you don't want, let others find you using your phone number. If you don't want that others should uh, if you don't want that others will find you using a phone number, then please untick from here also. So no one will be added to will be able to find you out with your phone number also. Contacts, about syncing contracts, if you will just click on this one, then your address book contract will be uploaded on Twitter. You can see that is quite dangerous. Your contacts from your address book will be uploaded to Twitter. If you will just click it on, then it will be uploaded. So it is, let it be like this. I'm gonna disable this one. Like, please don't put a tick mark over here. Don't put, not to put any tick mark over here. Then again, you just scroll down, then click on this. You can see over here personalization and data. So allow some, it is written over there, but you will have to change according to your wish. I would suggest that you select only me, okay, from here. Then you can see over here there are a few settings also over here. You can see, let me show you, personalization and data. Scroll down, personalized ads, if you don't want any ads, then please untick, like as it is showing over here. Personalized based on inferred identity, that is the, these are the default settings. That is good, okay, no problem with all the settings. But here you can see this is a quite dangerous, my dear friends. Over here you can see over here that I'm showing, share your data with Twitter business partners. Why should we share our data? Okay, don't, please untick from here. And by default you will find that it is ticked, but remove that tick from here. That is for your safety, my dear friends. Again, you can see I'm asking you to disable that one. disable this one also, untick that one also. Now again go to the settings. Okay, account, go to your account, then click on security, and you can again enable two-factor authentication on Cheater also. This is two-factor authentication. Click on two-factor authentication over here. So what you have to do, just click over here on the on that profile photo, then you will go to account, then go to security, then click on this two-factor authentication, and you can set it by three methods. You can see over here, text message means if you will try to log in, then text message will be sent to you, and you will have to enter that particular code, then you can log in. Again, you can use authentication app, that Google Play Store that I told you in the previous video. How you will have to install Google Authenticator from the Play Store, and you can use that app also. So please, 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 my dear friends, enable this two-factor authentication. Any one of these, select any one of, no need to select all these things, but you can still select all these things. You can all these layers of security, but I suggest you please at least one use any one of them. Either use text message, authentication app, or you can use the security key also. So if you will log in, then you will have to enter that security key also. So it is better to use this app and better to use the message also. So it is upon you, my dear friends, what you are going to use, but use it quite safely, my dear friends, because it is your privacy, it is your concern, and you will have to protect your online information from the hackers. So that is all in this tutorial settings what we have to do. And in our next topic we are going to learn about phishing. How can we save ourselves from phishing? That is in the next tutorial, my dearest friends. Please be there and watch the next tutorial as well. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and relatives also, with others also. And please don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. That's all. Thank you, my dear friends. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye bye.